Now, dear children, we will study about the harvest festivals. You know what is the meaning of harvest? Well, when the crops are ready to be cut, the farmers go and cut the ripe crops and they collect those crops. This is called as harvest. So, this time of the year when the farmers collect ripe crops from the fields is known as harvest. So, what are harvest festivals then? Harvest festivals are marked to celebrate the harvest time. It is the time of the year when the farmers collect ripe crops from the field and sell them. Yes, so now if you know, the farmers work hard throughout the year. And what do? They plant the crops in their field. Now, when the crops have grown and they have become ripe and they have become ready to cut down, the farmer cuts those crops and he collects them. Now, he sells those crops in the market. Now, he has worked so hard in order for to make these crops grow, right? So, what does the farmer do? The farmer celebrates this time. The farmer celebrates the fruit of their hard work. They have worked very hard. So, what they do, once they have completed cutting down and collecting the ripe crops from the field and they have sold them, they celebrate the harvest festivals. In India, some of the harvest festivals that are celebrated are Lohri, Bihu, Pongal and Onam. Let us start with Lohri. Now the Lohri is celebrated in Punjab and other northern parts of India. When do you celebrate Lohri? It is celebrated in the month of January. So what do people do in Lohri? Bonfires are lit and people sing songs and dance around them. Can you see over here in between we have bonfire? Bonfire means the wood is put on fire. Can you see? This is the bonfire. And what are people doing? They are dancing around it, singing songs in Lohri. The next harvest festival that is celebrated is known as Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. And when do we celebrate it? The Bihu festival of Assam is celebrated in winter, autumn and spring. And a special folk dance known as the Bihu dance is performed during this festival. So where is Bihu celebrated? It is celebrated in Assam. And which dance is performed? The Bihu folk dance is performed. Then the next harvest festival that we have to study is Pongal. Now Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. So Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu and it is celebrated in the month of January. So what do people do in Pongal? In Pongal, a special Pongal rice is prepared. Over here, can you see in the picture, we have the Pongal rice. The next harvest festival that we have to study is Onam. Now, Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. So, what do people do at this time? In Kerala, Onam is celebrated to worship King Mahabali. It is a harvest festival and during this festival, who is worshipped? King Mahabali is worshipped during Onam. Now, huge processions of beautifully decorated elephants and boat races are special features of Onam. So what happens in Onam? We have boat races. Wow. So since we have backwaters in Kerala, so we have boat races that are held during Onam. Also, beautifully decorated elephants are taken out in huge processions. So this was it for harvest festivals.